That is $13.20. How did you want to pay?
Good morning, YouTube. And this is my 2005 Accord. Yeah, this will be my winter beater. As you can see, here to get my inspection. Safety inspection expired. So yeah, did some work to it. This is gonna be my new project. I only drive Hondas. I clean the headlights, but looking good. Need a little TLC, and you know, I'm gonna fix this. Probably gonna change the entire hood. Bubbles right here. Gonna fix that as well. Definitely need some wheels. I'm gonna spray this side piece right here. I'm definitely gonna fix this. I tried, did some welds. She's nice. Definitely gonna put an audio system in it. Fix right here as well. Need some more body fill. Sanding. I'm definitely gonna spray the entire car. So it looks in here. I have a power steering leak, which is why it sounds like this. I'm gonna get that all sorted out eventually. I have like 3 more months to get this all done, so I'm not even like worried about time. So yeah, looks really good. Sheesh. This shop opens at 8 o'clock, so I have time to chill and do a video. So that's the update for this car. Oh, look at that. Definitely gonna have to change this. Rust. Every time I walk to Ikea, stop record. See when me upload it. Oh, it's a trifling one, yeah. You know why? You know why? Because you see, you're mindful of your negativity, and because of how you're used to, you think some everything I see him thing. You come from country, or you come from town?
Yeah, put my name tag in your video.
Name tag, put your Instagram so they can go follow you. Yeah. Yeah. When gone board knows. See when me upload it. You're gonna hate me for this. I swear, you're gonna hate me for this. Start high now. Shame. Queen of Panini, you have Queen. Thank you for the point E. Need to change from Princess to Trifling.
Alright, is that everything today?
Yes. Basically. Will I get a discount? Will I get a discount?
For what?
Paying for the slip?
Sorry?
I thought I was gonna pay for the. It's like $14 for it.
Yeah, it's $13.20.
Okay.
Yeah. I was just making sure you didn't have anything else you wanted to
Oh,
do.
no. Oh my god. Hmm?
So that is $13.20. How did you want to pay?
Debit.
Debit. And do you have tap on your debit?
No. It's old. It's an old card. Yeah, so now we're at Access Nova Scotia getting the car registered in my name. I think it costs like $13 or so. $13 later. And then I have to get a temporary plate for the road until winter time. So that's basically the end of this video. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. So yeah, bazinga. Officially done now.